Welcome to another episode of Let's Play Pokemon White. I am Michael Jones. In the last episode, we beat the flying type gym leader and stopped at Twisted Mountain. Now we're gonna go through Twisted Mountain. So, here we go. My screen makes this look really dark. So he's just talking about stuff I don't want to hear. Now Sharon's going to talk. If you want it bad, bruh. Okay, so that's gone. What Pokemon can we catch in here? Girder. Since we already have a fighting type and Pignite, Embroider, we don't need him. There are Pokeballs around, so I'm gonna collect those. So we got a Revive. Okay, there's the door. So I'm gonna go in there and get... Oh, there is a trainer and a Pokemon. Oh, yes! This is one of the Pokemon I wanted. My favorite type is Ice. Second is Electricity. My bad. Let's go for an Ultra Ball. If not, we could just put it to sleep and try again. 1, 2, 3. And we caught it. That was too easy. So we have a... Cha-cha-cha. And I'm gonna nickname this one MATRIX. I only named it because I couldn't say the name. Dang it. And we have a Boulder. No one cares about this Boulder. So now we're gonna face this trainer. Okay, so let's just fight him real fast. Oh, he has 3 Pokemon. He has a Rubat. Dang it, I would start off with the grass type. Let's put him to sleep. Yes, it hits. Let's go for Giga Drain. It'll do some damage, but not a lot. That's pretty much a lot. Now the Giga Drain should take it out. Boulder, let's keep it in. Let's go with Giga Drain again. Yeah, oh, it's not. Oh, stupid sturdy. Went for a Rock Slide. It won't do that much damage. I went for another Giga Drain. Okay. So that's done. And now he has a Girder. I'm gonna switch into Unfez. There we go. And we finna have a level 36, I mean. I said 50. Oh, he stayed alive. Oh, let's go for another air slash. Hey, level 36. So this Fez doesn't need the experience share anymore. So let's give it to. Oh, I gotta take it first. Let's give it to our new Pokemon Matrix. Item, take. Oh, it already has. It has the Aspa Berry. Okay, so let's put Emboar in front and Spray Repel. Okay, so let's go on. I thought that was sharing for a second. Okay, there's no item. I think these are trainers. Okay. I think there's an item over there. Oh, there's a trainer. Oh, he has a Zubat. Let's go for Giga Drain. Sorry about that. Get some of that good HP back. Not a lot of HP. So let's switch into Matrix. Let's see what they can do. It is a few levels back, but we can work with it. Better have Ice type move. It has Ice Wind, Brine, and Dueler, Fury Swipes, and so let's go for Icy Wind. See how much that will do. It is super effective. So let's just do it. Super effective. It did nothing. So let's switch into Zebra Striker. Zeb Striker. Volt Switch should take it out. Look at that. What? What? That makes absolutely no sense. Let's go with Goku. I don't know. Air Slash will do nothing. I lied. Let's throw in the Big Daddy. Let's do it. Flame. No, I should have went for a different move, like Assurance or something. Nice, nice. You saw the experience Matrix got. Oh well. Yep, I knew there was an item back here. What is it? A Moonstone. I don't know any Pokemon that evolve with Moonstones in this game, but let's keep going. Okay, Okay, there's an item right there. Let's collect that. A max potion. We could probably buy those at the store now. That's good. That's real good. So, there is a... Okay, yeah. Get that good ether. We don't need that for the Elite Four. Before we go in, I'm going to use the max repel. And... Okay, here it is. Where is my revives? Here. Use one on my little ground type friend. And let's walk in. Oh, we got a rock gem. I really like gems. But only if I had a rock type Pokemon. Okay, so let's go to the exit. After we battle this guy. You only have one. Ground steel type, we have the perfect guy for you. Go for Giga Drain, we're running low on it, but it's worth it. Get that good HP back. Go for a Leech Seed, set that up. Oh, he's using Horn Claws. It made his attack and special attack. I mean accuracy. I'll go for a Giga Drain. We have 3 left after this. Okay. And we have a level 45 Lilligant. Matrix has not leveled up yet. It will soon, probably. It will soon. And we get PP up. Perfect. Here's the door. There is a door there, but there's a door here too. Yep, so I picked the wrong door. Oh, there's a trainer there. Probably has like a Zubat or something. Not a Zubat, why did that go to somewhere? Let's switch. Let's get this battle started. Oh yes, 2 Pokemon, and I predicted that. I predicted it. I think if we're faster, we could pull this off. Let's go for a crunch. Yes. That's what I was hoping for. I knew Matrix was gonna level up soon. Charm. What does Charm do? Uses engage into the target charmingly. The target's harshly lowered. No, we got a pretty good moveset. Let's just keep old moves. Give up on Charm. That's it. Cause Boulder can't really do anything to us since we're on the ground. And let's go for Dig. Let's go for another Dig. I'm I'm like the only Let's Player that won't use a dragon type. That's what I got Matrix for. And we get a Ultra Ball that can replace the one that we used earlier. Dang it, he saw me. Let's battle this karate guy. He has a star. We have a ground rock type. Ground dark type, so I would have to switch out. Perfect.
Go sit your ass down somewhere now.
So we're gonna use Fly. Hopefully we can take this out. No. Oh, it won't. It's stupid enough to go for another bulk up. When it could have took me out. Go for Air Slash. Now he's just taken out. Let's spray another repel. Another trainer. He would have them. Okay. Since we're probably faster, let's go for a dig. You can avoid his first attack, but not his second one. I'll use the bulk up. Let's see how much damage dig does. Nothing. Oops. Fighting type versus fighting type. We got this. Go for flame charge. Go for another bulk up. You probably could have took me out with a rock slide or something like that. Just go for another flame charge. You'll take it out finally. And we got the crit that was not needed. Excellent. Level 30 Matrix. Here's a boulder. I'm gonna keep it. Let's go for arm thrust. Raises up that good defense. Let's try arm thrust again. Almighty 5 hits. I think we're at the bottom floor. Okay, we go this way. I think this is the right way. I'm gonna get a, oh, flash cannon. Okay, this way did nothing but give us a good TM. Okay, I didn't know what that did. No, I kind of don't like this Pokemon. So we're just gonna run away. Now let's spray another repel. And hopefully we can find the way out. Oh, okay. There's Sharon and a Team Plasma guy. So I'm pretty sure that's the right way. Okay, I'm going to go in this room to see what's in there. Okay. Nothing. Okay, that's all I want to see. So let's go to the exit. Hold up. Sorry, guys. They just cut off my ponytail. This is like grass or something? Okay, there's a city. What is the name of the city? I'm just walking around now. This is where we'll end this episode off. We went through Twisted Mountain. All that good juicy stuff. We got a new Pokemon member. We did a lot for this episode. That mountain was extremely confusing. Sorry if it shows up dark on YouTube, but it's whatever. Micro Jones out.